saw Hunt ride past the other day. He really seen him over there. I don't know what's going on with Hunt. I don't know if his cousin told him he can't be smoking in front of here or something, but something happened. Like he both. I saw him ride past. I'm saying though, he can still come over there though. They ain't got him nothing to do with him coming over there to his people crib. That's what I'm talking about. He don't even pull up no more. If him and Nico to it. Because if him and Nico to it, they ain't got nothing to do with him pulling up over there, because he's doing that. Right, okay, yeah. He got his son over there. His son staying with him. The dude, her boyfriend's son staying with him. And I asked him, this is when he first stayed with him. I'm like, oh, okay. He's like, my son gonna stay with me for a few months. I'm like, all right. I'm like, oh, well, he paying a bill or two or something. He's like, no, he gonna work and save up. Yeah. He gonna save up. I think his son 27 or something like that. Like, but I'm saying though, it's different. It's different too. It's different too, cause his lady is that's not their mother. You know what I'm saying? She a couple years older than me. She around town of age, 34, 35 or something like that. He got a 28-year-old, 27-year-old. So you know, he yeah. Who, Brooks' daughter got killed? Yeah, it's Brooks' wife's daughter, yeah. All of them. Oh, this whole time? Shit, it was his. I heard, but Brooks told me it was her place. You know what I'm saying? It was her place, and he ain't want to get out. Give me back.